Here we are at this garage, and you can hear planes coming because we're like 2 feet away from O'Hare.
Oh yeah, we're by the Embassy Suites. Oh, got the parking garage.
Oh, there's 3 of these.
Oh, got the nice button.
The clickies.
It's also very worn. Whoa, look at this.
Oh, that one's worn.
Wait, we have an RGB elevator.
Oh, I forgot
Here
these
we go.
do that.
Let's go.
Party time.
Oh wow, here we go.
Got the mood.
We have the RGB elevator.
The RGB vader.
I'm gonna wait until it's like yellow to take my picture.
Thunk. It's like he. Just block your video, put my head right there.
The Williams Street parking is what this is called.
This is literally just the one big garage that's so big it's next to every hotel.
I wonder whose idea was let's put RGB in the elevator.
Yeah.
I think it's like gaming where it makes it faster. All right.
It's like the motor has an RGB pump.